open the cover of the distribution box. Then loosen the two nuts that hold the flap to replace the worn flap. Using a wrench, loosen the nut that holds the ejector in place. And replace it and the small spring on which it rests. The nut, the screw, the spring, and the ejector are included in the renovation kit. Without tools, remove the worn selector. Then unscrew the 3 screws that hold the stainless steel cup to access the bearings of the selection box. Without tools, remove the wear crown. After several seasons of seedings, the bearings may be in poor condition due to the dust getting into the distribution box. To replace them, remove the pinion at the back of the housing and the snap ring that holds the bearings to the main shaft. With a press or hammer, pull out the shaft on which the bearings are mounted. Replace the worn bearings. And then reassemble the shaft and the circlips. A wear crown damaged can lead to vacuum losses and thus impair the selection quality of the distribution box. Therefore, replace the wear crown with the new one included in the kit and reassemble the stainless steel cup. For optimum selection quality, wear crown, selector and ejector should be replaced simultaneously. A worn or improperly adjusted selector may result in improper seed selection on the disc. Without tools, replace the worn selector with the new one and close the cover of the selection box.